This is a quick connect fitting for a heater hose that goes to the intake manifold, or I should say it comes from there. The other half is down there. So the task I'm facing is to get this out of there. That's the thing. The plan is cut a thread this in there, and then I have something to hold on to for my 9/16 socket. Oh yeah, I will secure this with JB Weld. How strong is this JB Weld for real? That's what we're gonna find out, and keep your fingers crossed that this works, because it's a pain in the butt.